Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Surprising my wife with a luxury staycation was always there in my list. Dubai is renowned for the world's best hotels and hospitality. In this video we are sharing our experience on our stay in NH Collection Hotel Dubai. My curiosity arose to find out where are the luxury hotels in Dubai located. Dubai has more than 850 hotels. My attention turned to Palm Jumeirah, which has a good collection of luxury hotels. Using Google search, I zoomed into the hotels and resorts in the area, finally found a 4-star luxury hotel on a budget. We arrived in the drop-off area. A free valet parking and marhaba facility was provided. Our check-in was at 3 p.m. and we managed to reach on time. The check-in process was easy and full detail of the package and facilities were explained at the front office. The staffs were so welcoming and friendly. The hotel has a selection of 533 rooms, suites and apartments which comes at a different price range. We have reserved a Premium Sea View Club room. Welcome to Premium Sea View Club room. The room comes with a king-size bed, comfortable pillows and blanket, 2-side table and a small coffee table with chair. A flat-screen TV with stand was wall-mounted facing the bed. An open wardrobe with shelves included bathrobe, iron box and ironing board and safe locker. Coffee mugs, glasses and tea facility and a mini bar was available. The view from the balcony was breathtaking. Overlooking the Arabian Gulf and the iconic skylines of Dubai, this picture square view filled our mind with excitement. The bathroom was clean and hygienic. Clean bath towels, body wash, hair conditioner and moisturizer were available. After our lunch, we climbed to the rooftop for an adventure pool time. Probably this is the one we enjoyed the most and one of the reason we choose the hotel. The sunset-facing rooftop infinity pool displayed a 180-degree view of the nearby neighborhoods like Blue Water Island and part of Palm Jumeirah. The View 180 bar and restaurant is located beside the pool. After a relaxing time in the pool, we went to the premium lounge for a refreshment. The lounge provides comfortable seating, unlimited snacks and beverages. As the saying goes, health is wealth. You can use the gym and spa facility to recharge yourself. The stay is incomplete without a strategic breakfast. Maiora restaurant provides all-day dining featuring international cuisine. The restaurant had enough seating and an outdoor dining area. There was also a live cooking counter. We satisfied our taste buds with variety of food. Revo Cafe is another international restaurant with great ambience. Pull up a chair and dine as you watch your favorite sport at 7 Sports Bar. Cheer for your favorites on the big screen and choose from an international menu of hearty meals and tasty snacks while in the bar lounging. The hotel also provided the access to the Palm West Beach. The Palm West Beach, which stretch up to 1.6 kilometers of shoreline, is a hub of luxury hotels and beach entertainment. The long pool at the beachfront is backed with an array of many shoreside restaurants and bar. Numerous beach lounge, chairs and umbrella were set up to welcome the beach lovers. We took a free buggy ride and toured around. We have experienced the luxury nightlife of Dubai filled with party clubs and night entertainment. Many well-known hotels and resorts decorated with lights located in one side, and a well-developed beach with restaurants and pubs on the other, make this place a must-visit destination. This trip revealed us the luxury and entertainment life of Dubai. With lots of good memories, we bid farewell to NH Collection. Thanks for giving us a great staycation experience. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up.